how to find read receipt settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find read receipt settings on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top. Click on it and then just click settings, and here you will find account. Click on it and then just click privacy, and now all you need to do is just manage this one. Read receipts, you can find it here in privacy. You can turn it off or on just by one click and go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.